This large set of blank craft notebooks is ideal for classrooms, group projects, or anyone who goes through a lot of journals and wants everything to match neatly on the shelf. The sturdy craft covers feel durable in the hand and also act as a blank canvas, making them great for decorating, labeling, or branding for events and workshops. Each notebook uses smooth, relatively thick paper that handles everyday pens and pencils well, with the warm beige tone being easier on the eyes during long writing or sketching sessions. The completely unlined pages give you full freedom for sketching, bullet journaling, mind mapping, or mixed notes without being constrained by printed grids or ruled lines. A stitched binding allows the notebooks to open fairly flat on a desk, so you can write comfortably across the page without fighting a stiff spine or losing space near the center. The compact A5 size slips easily into a backpack or tote bag, making these notebooks convenient for travel, field notes, or keeping separate books for different subjects.